Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 58, length of last word. We're told that we're given a string S consisting of words and spaces, and we need to return the length of the last word in the string. So in this example, example 1, world is the last word, so we return the length of word, which is 5. In this example, moon is the last word, we just ignore the empty spaces, so we return 4. And joy boy is the last word. I believe this is Luffy from One Piece. That would be kind of funny if that's a little Easter egg there. But anyway, our Joy Boy is going to be is of length 6, so that's what we return. And constraints, we're given some constraints, but we're told that most importantly that there will at least be one word in S. Okay, fantastic. So let's code this up in Python. Let's set our left point, our right pointer. So, and actually I should probably explain this, but we'll start from the end instead of starting from the beginning. So it'd be more optimal. We could also start the solution from the beginning, but it would just be complicated when we can just start from the end of our string. So let's set our right pointer equal to the length of our string minus 1. Then we'll say while our right pointer is greater than or equal to 0, so we haven't got to the beginning of the string yet. Let's say if we come across a empty space and our total, and I should probably create a total variable until that equal to 0, and our total is greater than 0. So we've already found some words, so it's not just beginning empty spaces, we've actually started constructing a word. In that case, well, we can just return our total, so the total so far. If our string, our character is an empty string, but it's at the beginning and we haven't actually started iterating over any non-space characters, well then we can just set total equal to 0. Otherwise, we will set total plus equals 1, so we'll increment total by 1 because we've come across a non-space character. Amazing. And obviously we want to decrement our right pointer by 1 each time, and then also return total at the end if we don't return total here. So let's run our code. Ooh. We have missed out colon, so that's a little syntax error. Fantastic. Sample case is done. Now let's do a full submission. Amazing, we pass all 60 test cases. So in terms of time complexity, we're looking at an O of n time complexity. We're just doing a single pass. And in terms of space complexity, we are storing our total on some pointers, but it will generally just be O of 1 space complexity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it made sense. And I'll catch you in the next one.